My guest tonight is one of the biggest LGBTQIA plus icons in the country, one of the biggest and best drag queens in the country and the world, an activist, actor, host, all of it. Hello, Sushant Divgekar, aka Rani Kohinoor. Welcome.
Thank you so
How
much.
are you?
Well, how do I look?
Fabulous.
That's how
Successful
I am.
and wealthy. I want to talk to you about fitness a little bit. Are you like a heavy fitness person who works out and like has a regime and all of that? You are? You've been athletic also as a person.
I mean, it's just that I think it's my body is used to a certain level of intensity. I used to work out like 6 hours a day at one point.
What?
Because I used to swim 3 hours in the morning, then
My
2 hours
God.
in the evening, and one hour used to be track and field.
That's
so that was
hectic.
3, 5, 1.
Do you have like a morning routine every day?
Now, currently I don't.
Yeah.
But I am used to kind of doing my yoga and my little bit of stretching and workout in the morning.
Yeah.
So that it keeps me like alive and kicking in the day.
Do you feel like you have to go to the gym and work out
No.
to be fit?
I'm tired of going to the gym.
Yeah.
All these years I've gone to the gym. Now I call my trainer at home.
Yeah. Yeah.
He
Makes
comes
sense.
home, functional training, nice, chilled out. I've bought that sports cycle. I have the treadmill.
yeah.
Everything's at home. And
Perfect.
the weights, I'm sorted.
Is there a certain diet that you follow?
I tried it, but then I realized I'm konkani.
Which one did you try?
I tried keto. I tried, a couple of diets. Intermittent fasting, I tried.
I like intermittent.
I thought I tried intermittent fasting.
Yeah.
Then my mother said I'm doing it wrong.
Yeah.
Then I was like, okay. And then she's like, there's no point.
Yeah.
Because I will make food when I want to. So I couldn't fight it.
Yeah. Yeah. Fair
I said,
enough.
then my thing was that I'm konkani.
Yeah. What is one fitness related myth that you've heard that is
I think
probably
this-
not true?
I would say this because I have been eating rice twice a day and
Yeah.
sometimes 3 times a day.
Yeah.
That it makes you put on weight.
Yeah.
I think rice makes you put on weight when you don't remove that starch out of it.
Correct.
If you eat it with the starch, then probably.
Well done. Proud of you for these fitness tips and tricks that you've given.
All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this session with Renil and myself. Renil hasn't gotten a drag name as yet, but we'll think about it and give it to you.
Hi guys, welcome to Candid Corner. I'm Renil Abraham. We're going to talk about fitness and fitness mantras of this creator who nails his content with a poker face. Keep guessing who it is. I'll see you on the other side. Hi Dave, what's happening?
I'm chilling.
Okay Dave, I want to ask you about your fitness because you look like a fit guy.
Okay.
Okay. Are you someone like who works heavily into fitness? Do you work out and like go to the gym very often like Agastya?
No, I've never gone to the gym.
You never gone to the gym?
No, I don't like the concept of a gym.
Okay.
But
why? What do you mean by that?
I don't know. Like, I can do it like otherwise. So, since 7th grade, I've been doing athletics. So
Fair.
from that only, like whatever fitness came, and then it just became a regular thing. So I go for a run every morning.
Yeah.
But I don't have mornings anymore since I wake up at 4. But
struggle.
But I still try to whenever I can. Otherwise, my dadi makes these sick eggs. So I have my protein anyways.
Yeah.
So I used to go on Juhu Beach and just run the entire
used to?
stress. Yeah. I
What's
used-
the routine now? What do you do?
Now I wake up, I have my yoga mat, just some tutorials on YouTube.
Oh, good.
Just I have them do the same exercises every time.
Do you look up to someone when it comes to fitness?
Beer biceps, Ranveer.
Yeah.
He's really
Fair
good.
enough. Also managed by the same manager, Viraj Seth. Shout out to you. Influencer in the making. But have you heard of like myths about fitness before like you started like...
Yeah.
doing it?
So when I was like in 9th grade, I was like 6-pack chahiye.
Ah.
And then I saw on Google how to get 6-pack in a week. And there are videos.
Yeah.
In 30 seconds get 6-pack. all these really bad things. And there's always this super buff guy. So if you do this, please subscribe and you will get it.
Yeah.
So yeah, all that.
You tried it also?
Yeah, I was
you
like,
got
okay.
30 seconds?
Nope.
Yeah. 6 packs are happening now?
Yeah.
What are like things that like people who are not into the gym scene a lot can do otherwise?
Just like do sports as well and do yoga. Yoga is really good.
Yeah.
Just to keep your flexibility is used. Like I've seen so many people with like a really built body
Yeah.
who can't even touch their toes.
Yeah.
So you do yoga And I'd say go for a run. Runs
Yeah.
are really therapeutic and they're really...
And yoga helps with your mental fitness
Yeah, exactly,
also.
everything.
Great.
So yeah.
Well done. Proud of you.
Thank
proud
you.
of you for not being a cliche. Very, very proud. Okay? And proud of you for these pins that you've come with on your beanie.
Thank you.
Well done. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I hope you got some interesting fitness tips and tricks from Dave. If you did, let me know. I'll see you in the next one.
My guest today is the newest Gen Z content creator on the block. With his Reels game on point, he is garnering more and more attention every second. Join me while I ask him some fun, not so usual questions.
Hi, Archit. Welcome.
Hi.
Archit, I want to ask you questions about fitness. Okay.
Cool.
Are you someone who has like a heavy fitness regime?
Not
Do you
at
work
all.
out? No.
Not at, you can see, I'm really
Yeah, I mean, it could also be like the result of like you
a
working
lot
out
of
too
working
much.
out. Okay, I work out at home like once every 2 days, but that's only because,
To lose what?
no, just like,
To just stay fit
Yeah,
or whatever, discipline
yeah,
and all of
yeah.
that. Okay.
Just that.
Do you have like a diet?
well,
Yeah, I mean, maybe you should have a diet
I
where
have
you
a
eat a lot
diet
more.
to gain weight. I
Yeah.
have that. I actually do have a nutritionist helping me gain weight.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yes.
Do you feel like you need to sort of go to the gym to sort of stay fit?
You do for the weights, because I think the
Yeah.
gym has equipments that obviously would help you. It would help you to tone your body.
Yeah.
But in the current situation, I think it's not like safe
Correct.
to go to a gym.
What is like your favorite go-to exercise? Like what is something that you usually like doing?
Squats? I know people really hate squats, but I like squats.
I believe you, Archit. I believe you. It's you, I believe you. What is like a fitness myth that you've heard that sort of turned out to be not true?
I actually don't know if this is true or not, but people keep telling me have milk. It'll help you like gain your height. I don't like.
I mean, you're pretty tall anyway, no?
I am like 6 feet, but
You're 6 already?
yeah.
Oh my God.
I'm just 18. I'm 18 though. It's not just. It's old enough. I feel. But milk I anyway can't have because of my lactose intolerance. And people make me have milk. Like, yeah, you need calcium. Your bones need calcium. I'm like, they don't.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah. Like, you know, because I'm thin, they'll be like, oh, you need calcium.
Well done, well done. Thank you for these fitness tips and tricks also. Archit. Well done, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in. I hope you guys got some fun fitness tips and tricks from this video. Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hi guys, welcome to Candid Corner. I'm Renal. We're going to get to a segment where we talk about fitness a little bit. We have an actor who is my guest today who's prepping for a movie that is fitness-based and action-based. He gave a remarkable performance this year in a movie called White Tiger. Let me see if you guessed it right, okay? Wait a little bit and then find out. Congratulations, Adarsh, first of all, on White Tiger, which is going everywhere, collecting praises, especially for you, the lead star of the movie. What's been happening since?
Just a lot of auditions.
Yeah.
A lot of reading of scripts. I've been working out very diligently for something that I start in November.
Correct.
So that, and
You also told me that you have like a fitness regime that you have to
Right.
follow to get into a character that's coming up later.
right. So it's 3 days of calisthenics and 2 days of kickboxing.
Oh, like a week.
So a week. So
that's 5 days a week.
5 days a week. So 2 days is off and 3 days of calisthenics, which is basically minimal usage of weight and
Yeah.
using your body weight for training.
This obviously you're preparing for a character.
Yeah.
But what is like your usual fitness thing? Are you like a regular gym goer kind of a person?
No, I don't. I love to run, so I go for like 3.5 kilometer runs 4
Yeah.
times a week, 5 times a week. And I have a pull-up rod at home, so I do pull-ups and I do like different variations of push-ups. So
Yeah.
pretty much calisthenics only, but like not as intense as my trainer makes me doing.
What about like are you someone that follows like a diet at all? Like in life in general?
No,
No.
I'm bad at sticking to a diet, but right now I have to follow one.
Yeah.
So I have a nutritionist, I have a health coach who I'm
Yeah.
consulting.
Yeah.
But otherwise, I just eat ghar ka khana.
What are like
Yeah.
things that you can't eat now? Or like you have to eat now? Or whatever?
What I have to eat, drink is like my protein powder.
Yeah.
I have to eat tofu, so a lot of protein.
Yeah.
Also like a lot of good carbs that I'm supposed to eat.
Yeah.
But what I really miss the most eating is chili paneer, because I can have chili paneer like 2 times a day, 6 days a week.
Yeah. Like what are tips that you've learned like about nutrition or like a diet or like exercise that like
Don't eat anything that comes out of a packet and drink
you
lots
follow
of water.
that?
Try to as much
Yeah.
as I can.
Yeah.
And drink lots of water.
Drink lots of water.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
Pam, listen, I've enjoyed this fitness conversation a little bit. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I hope you found a few tips and tricks about fitness that hopefully works for you also. And let us know if it does, okay? Until then, see you soon.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.